long.
Exactly. So we've been very spoiled of late, but you say that's coming to an end. Hey, sorry, it's already come to an end. Pardon me. Past tense. We're already there.
When was the last time you went outside?
You know, we're 3 exits past. It's going to get bad.
It is.
Right.
It is nasty. And I think the funny thing is everybody's kind of home and bundled up in bed or whatever. Just be prepared. It's going to be a chilly start to your day tomorrow. Time lapse tonight was showing some snow moving through downtown Cleveland. It looks like clouds, but believe it or not, those are the snow squalls that have been passing through. Good old Jen pointing that out earlier this evening. Nicely done. Really appreciate that. But boy, what a beautiful city that we have with a little blanket of snow to freshen things up. We will start the day tomorrow with that lake snow continuing. We'll have some slick spots too. Keep in mind anything that was water earlier froze today and it will stay frozen tonight. Now we have snow blowing on top of it, so you could have icy spots that you can't even see as of right now. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s. We'll stay in the 20s through the day tomorrow. Lake snow kind of pushing east, which will open up some clearing skies out to the west. There is a look at the radar right now, and I got to tell you, this thing has been impressive, especially this western band. This is what I mean by widespread lake effect snow, everybody. This is when we start to bring the upper lakes into play. This cold air just transporting all kinds of moisture our way, and we have 1, 2, 3 snow bands that we are tracking tonight, and these things are really going to start to focus in on a couple areas. So a snow band is a little bit more of an intense area of snow rather than just widespread light flurries. So we have the widespread flurries, but then you add in these bands, and that can really cause some enhancement as far as those snow accumulations go. It can also make things really nasty on the roads. Winter storm warning was upgraded earlier for Geauga County. That's through 10 a.m. tomorrow. We also have the winter weather advisory in effect for inland Ashtabula County. The winds have really been a big part of our story. We have those west-northwest winds that continue anywhere from 15 to 25. Gusts have been over 30. Look at your wind chill temperatures right now. Single digits. That's how it's going to feel when you step out the door in the morning. So that's what I'm talking about. A little bit of a shock to the system as you're all cuddled up tonight. We were watching the big batch of purple to the north move to the south through the day today. It's continuing to move in, and tomorrow will actually be colder. Now, it's that cold air that's coming across these lakes that has activated the lake effect. And if we put the wind flow on top of all of this, you can see what I'm talking about with Lake Superior and Lake Michigan moisture making it all the way down into northeast Ohio. So we have priming taking place. That means we're getting the moisture from the lakes up north, and Lake Erie just adds its extra bit, and so we end up getting our widespread snow. That being said, the bands are where we're going to end up having the heavier snow amounts, and those bands will still be around in the morning for the morning commute, so maybe plan on a couple extra minutes. I think by and large the crews should be able to keep up tonight, depending on how the bands go, but the temperatures are going to be the story for the afternoon tomorrow. We're only going to be in the mid-20s. The lake effect shifts out to the east, and that leaves us with very cold conditions and those wind chills that are going to be bitter. How much snow is coming? Well, it's not a whole lot more. I mean, we've had snow all day today, and it hasn't added up to terribly much, but we have that snow tapering off tomorrow. Universal Windows Direct forecast does get us back into the 30s this weekend with another batch of snow coming in, and then right now next week is looking rather seasonable. We'll be right back.